Welcome to this in-depth review of the ZHANGGH Bare Optical Fibre Single-Mode Without Connector, designed specifically for optimal OTDR testing performance. This premium fiber is available in lengths of 50 kilometers and 60 kilometers, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of telecommunications applications. In this video narration, we'll explore the product's key features and specifications, how it performs in real-world scenarios, and what sets it apart from similar alternatives in the market. The ZHANGGH Bare Optical Fibre is engineered to meet the demanding requirements of high-performance network installations. Complying with the G652D standard, it ensures efficient signal transmission with minimal loss over extended distances. This makes it an ideal candidate for OTDR testing, network maintenance, and troubleshooting where precision is essential. Its lightweight and flexible design not only makes it easy to handle, but also allows for hassle-free installation even in diverse and challenging environments. In real-life scenarios, users have experienced reliable performance from this optical fiber, particularly when engaged in extensive OTDR testing procedures. The 60-kilometer variant, in particular, offers a robust solution for long-haul communications, enabling technicians to detect and diagnose faults accurately. The bare fiber design means that there are no connectors pre-installed, which some users may view as a drawback if they require a plug-and-play solution. However, for professionals who prefer to have complete control over their connection systems, this design offers the advantage of customizability and flexibility. When compared with similar products in the market, the ZHANGGH fiber stands out due to its adherence to international standards and quality manufacturing. While some competitors might offer pre-connected fibers for convenience, the bare fiber approach here provides a more in-depth testing environment, which many in technical fields actually prefer. Its performance in maintaining signal strength and reducing insertion loss is particularly noteworthy, making it a reliable choice for installations that demand high precision. To get the most out of this product, it is recommended to pair it with compatible testing equipment and to ensure that meticulous handling guidelines are followed during installation. This will safeguard the fiber from any potential physical damages and ensure that its performance remains optimal throughout its lifetime. In summary, the ZHANGGH Bare Optical Fibre is an excellent option for network professionals and installation experts who need a reliable, high-performance optical fiber for OTDR testing and long-haul communication solutions. Despite the lack of pre-installed connectors, its benefits far outweigh this minor drawback, making it a valuable tool in any fiber optic system installer's arsenal. Thank you for tuning in to this review, and we hope it helps you decide if this product is the right fit for your telecommunications needs. Greetings to all our viewers, and thank you for watching.